Welcome to Programming ABC. Statement: if then else statement or decision making statement in VB.NET. Dim is as integer, console write line, interior is console read line. If is less than 810, then console write line, you are not adult. Else na hole else console write line, you are adult. Int if always int with int if. You can more statement using if then else if then else console write line, press any key to exit, console read key true, compile, interior is 22. You are adult. Press any key to exit. No. $710. You are not adult. Press any key to exit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.